MSC's private island sounds like a dream until lightning shuts down the beach. Here's how our last day on Ocean Cay actually went. We're wet.
Let's go.
Good morning from Ocean Cay. Looks like it's gonna be a cloudy, rainy day.
Well, the picture's coming in. It's about as far as we got so far. It looks like it's just gonna rain. Rain, rain, more rain. Here's our current situation. Still on the ship. They closed the beaches when we got here. We think they're open now, and we're just gonna go down there and we're just gonna get wet.
It's my favorite port and it's raining. That's okay, we're going to have fun anyway. We're already wet.
I think she needs a margarita.
Not this early.
So as you can see, we're swimming right by the ship. This is called Lighthouse Beach. There. We do got our little tubes. You know, if you're gonna snorkel at Ocean Cay, this place is the best to snorkel. The water's usually clear, and they do have some rocks over there. And then there's a net that goes all the way across. And if you'll go out to that net, you can see fish out there. There's been stingrays out there. But it's pretty cool. You can swim and snorkel right by the ship. We have snorkeled before. We're not snorkeling today, but roll that beautiful snorkeling video from past trips. The lighthouse. It's pretty cool. They do have excursions that go there. You can walk up the lighthouse. I think it's like 20 bucks. The coolest part of the lighthouse though is they do a light show at night, and we will get to see that later because we're docked here pretty late into the evening. I think till like 8 o'clock. So we'll get to show you that pretty soon. They have two buffets here now. One's called Secrets and one's called Boho. Boho is the new one. It's open from 11:30 to 1:30. The other one's open from 12 to 2. Get there quickly. The lines do get kind of crazy. The food is delicious. It's island barbecue. They have fish, hamburgers. We'll show you. I know it's a lot of information, but hey, I'm sitting here floating by the MSC World America. It's hard to beat. Very hard to beat. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Having a little Tropicale straight from Miami. That's a crab thing. So the struggles is real trying to float out here with these 8-foot waves we got. Y'all see that storm behind the lighthouse? Sounds ferocious. Yeah, that sounds pretty rough right there. We're fixing to hunker down though. We're gonna ride it out. We got an umbrella. We're good. It's a cool picture though. We just had lunch. We ate at Seekers and it was a mess because everybody was coming from the rain. Nobody knows how to follow instructions. People can't stand in line correctly. I even told a lady to quit skipping us. So, anyways. They have red flags right now. We can't get in the water.
It's raining.
We're at the lagoon waiting. We're just patiently waiting for them to drop the green flag. It was just a bad storm that went through.
Yeah.
That lightning. Woo.
It was pretty crazy.
We came to Bimini Beach. VJ was supposed to be right there at the disc bar. They have it closed. This beach don't have a lifeguard, so be careful, swim at your own risk. These are yacht club seats. You can rent the cabanas if you want. This water is open to the ocean, so you can see big fish. You might see a shark, or you might see something else. So keep your toes up. All right, we are at a third beach on this rainy Ocean Cay day.
We're at the lagoon. We lost 2 people. They said, we're going back to the ship.
They had enough. The rain, we had to get out once. It's still raining, but I mean, we're wet anyway, right? So we're gonna stay out for a little bit longer and then get on the ship. May go to the spa. I think we're gonna go to the spa after this.
Probably.
For our thermal suite. Our ship. Look at our ship with the clouds behind it. Pretty cool. It's not good the weather, but the picture's still cool. Still a cool picture. Still a good amount of people that came out. You want coffee or ice cream? Get at a smiling fish. And then here's Springer's Bar over here. This bar is pretty cool. Always a good time. All of that is crew area. The people who live on the island, that's where they stay at and everything. And if you want to get some Ocean Cay merchandise, there is 2 shops here. We're not going in there because we're soaking wet. But one is called the Trading Post, and the other one's called Ocean Cay, which is a Bahama shop. So both basically sell about the same thing. And then this building is the management office right there. Pretty much for workers. You don't want to go over there. That store is the MSC logo store out here. And then the visitor center's right there. If you go over there, that's where they're doing all the research on the coral and stuff right there. That's the MSC conservation area. We're not going to go over there today because it is raining. So, but that is a neat little project they did. In case you don't know, they cleaned this whole island up, turned it into basically a reef. And now they're learning coral, studying coral, and making their own coral. Well, growing coral. If you have an excursion right there. That's going to be our day here. We're going to talk right in front of the music, so we're going back on the ship.
We're wet.
Let's go get in some trouble on the ship. Bye-bye, Ocean Cay. You treated us bad today with all that rain. Can you guys see this? It looks like eyes right there.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge.
You see this? Do you see this? Cruise hair. Ah. We had a great day. Even though it rained all day, thundered, lightning, we didn't get struck. We swam. We got wet.
And we saw a lighthouse show.
Yeah.
We didn't go to the dining room tonight either,
No.
because we would have missed it. But it's been a fun cruise.
It's been
Our
fun.
second time on World America.
Mhm.
So that's really all we got to say. Crew on the ship is amazing. A lot of them is going home at the end of this cruise. So
Yeah.
they will all have new crew after that.
They're so excited to go home too.
Yeah, they've been on the ship since it came out in August.
Yeah.
So it's been this is October 2025. So they're ready to get home to their families for the holidays. I'm glad they get to go home too. So, but it's another one in the books.
Yeah.
And
If you have any questions about World America, we'll try to answer them. But I can tell you, some things change from May. Some things are a little different. So how we've experienced it may not be how you experience it.
that's right. Appreciate you watching.
Yeah.
Leave us a few comments, man. We like talking to you folks. Like talking to you folks. We're out of here.
Happy cruising.
Bye.
We